Beefficient software has been designed to manage many different business activities. This video gives a brief look at the facilities management side of Beefficient software. The Beefficient system is cloud-based, meaning that you can access your information whenever and wherever you have an internet connection. Amongst other benefits, this improves your ability to work remotely, whether you are at home or needing to check your systems when abroad. Opening Beefficient couldn't be easier. Double-click the icon on your desktop, enter your username and password, and you will gain access to the Beefficient main menu. This video will cover premises information. The versatility of Beefficient allows you to manage your premises or the premises of your clients on their behalf. This video will assume that we're looking after facilities belonging to JT Few Plant Hire Limited and the Alford Metals Company Limited on their behalf. Now let's find out what information Beefficient manages for the Alford Metals Company. The first tab holds all relevant contact information, meaning that you no longer have to scroll through a separate contacts list. Under the Jobs tab, you can keep track of tasks that have been assigned to individuals and ensure that they are completed by the preset deadline. Task allocation will be detailed further in a later video. Defining responsibilities for each of the key roles at the facility will ensure that you know who to contact. The company's organisation chart will give a clear picture of chains of command within the facility. Insurance details can be logged, and a countdown timer ensures that the insurance certificates do not expire. When it comes to fire prevention, there are a number of tasks that must be carried out. A fire risk assessment should be produced, and this should be reviewed at regular intervals or when changes to the facility are made. As you can see, the countdown timer shows you how many days are left until the recommended review date. Opening the document couldn't be easier. The fire plan and other relevant drawings can be held in one place for easy access by all. Fire evacuation drills should be carried out at least once every 6 months. This evacuation drill is seen to be overdue by 1 day. Adding a new evacuation record is simple. Simply drag and drop to enter the document into the field. Once the record has been submitted, it can be seen that the countdown timer is reset to 6 months. Fire extinguishers should be subject to annual servicing. Logging the price paid per extinguisher serviced allows you to ensure that you are getting the best value year on year. Persons within the facility should be trained to use the extinguishers. Personnel record management is another feature of Beefficient, but will not be detailed within this video. The fire alarm should be tested weekly using a different call point each time. The table to the right shows which call point should be used for the next fire alarm test. Once the new fire alarm test has been logged, it can be seen that the call point testing order changes automatically, and the days until the next test is reset to 7. Fire alarms should be serviced on a regular basis, and the records of servicing should be held on file. Fire alarm call points within the facility should be detailed within a register to ensure that they are all tested on a regular basis. Emergency lighting should be tested monthly, and any faults with the lighting should be recorded to ensure that they are rectified. A full test on the emergency lighting should be carried out annually. Again, logging the price paid for the test helps to ensure that you receive the best value year on year. Submitting the test record resets the timer to 1 year. Emergency exit route checks should be recorded on a weekly basis. It can be seen that the last check carried out here identified that remedial works were required. Within the record, the details of the remedial works required are detailed, and once the works have been completed, the fault can be closed out. Each facility should have trained fire wardens, and records of training should be held on file. Trained first aid personnel may also be required. Various building service records also need to be tracked. PATS testing records are held on file, again with the price paid for the testing. Five-yearly electrical installation test records are easily at hand. Records of air conditioning servicing are logged, along with the due date of the next service. Five-yearly air conditioning inspection records are easy to locate, and the countdown timer ensures that your next inspection does not become overdue. Burglar alarms should again be subject to regular servicing, and yet again you can record the price paid and the due date of the next service. The facility may also have an interceptor that requires emptying. Many facilities hold accreditations that expire. Logging them onto Beefficient helps to ensure that they remain in date. Environmental documents, such as permits and waste carriers licenses, can also be recorded. Utility bill information can be logged onto Beefficient. This can help to show how much you are paying and make it easier to find cheaper providers. Beefficient is infinitely modifiable. so should there be any extra features that you require, we will happily work with you to include these within the software. For more information about how Beefficient software can help you, please get in contact at www.acasafety.com.